We'll guide you through how to add or remove exclusions for Microsoft Defender on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When something is excluded, this means Defender and Windows security are not going to scan it, so it can contain malicious or harmful files, but there may be a reason why you want to do this, and we'll also guide you through how you can remove an exclusion as well. So, to get started, click Search at the bottom and type in Windows Security, like so, and click here. Now what you need to do is press the 3 lines in the top left, go down and press Virus and Threat Protection. Now in here, you need to start scrolling down, and you need to find Virus and Threat Protection Settings and press Manage just beneath it. This will bring you here, and you want to scroll down like so and come into Exclusions. So here it says Defender won't scan items that have been excluded, so we can go and press Add or Remove. I've had a security pop-up there that I had to agree to. Now what we're going to do here is press Add an Exclusion, and you can choose File, Folder, File Type, or Process. Let's go and say I selected a file. I could find one of my documents, I could go and select this here for example, and press Open. That's now going to be added to the excluded list, so it's not going to be scanned. So that's it. If you want to remove it, you go and click on it and then press Remove in the bottom right, like so. And that's it. It's now been removed from the exclusion.